Good morning and welcome to another video, or because we're in Turkey it's Günaydın. So we just popped out of our apartment in Istanbul. We arrived here last night and it's time for breakfast, coffee and some bread, and then we're going to have a wander around here and just check out where a few things are close to the apartment. I'll show you more in a minute. So the spot we had breakfast was a reasonably busy street. We found a quieter street to walk along now. So breakfast was 150 lira for a Turkish coffee, tea and 2 round pretzel bread things. So good value. So we're staying in the Sultanahmet area, which is very close to the Blue Mosque. Our bus dropped us off last night right outside the Blue Mosque, and we had about a 500 metre walk to our apartment. Our hosts at the apartment, Abuze and Nur, are just wonderful people, lovely people. We arrived there at about 6:30, just after 6:30 PM last night, and yeah, they had a small meal for us, and we sat around talking to them for about 2.5 hours, or 2 hours I think. Great introduction to Istanbul. Oh, look at that street there. This one's quite pretty. Go down here.
Yeah. Nice little paddock.
Oh, I just got a punch. I think I was being naughty. Beautiful old houses, lovely place for a walk. We got lucky. Must be where the tour buses drop off. Starting to see a few tour groups. And there's the Blue Mosque. So we just got dropped off over to our right here last night. We're heading back around that way just so we can check that that is where we can pick up the bus on our last day to get back to the airport.
Ne olacağını kimse bilmiyor. İşte herkes kimse bilmiyor, anladın mı? Ne oluyor yani? Herkes de şey yok onda.
So we come out of that little bazaar, and here's trying to get a better angle on the Blue Mosque. So we'll go inside that one one day when it's a bit quieter. Try and get there in the morning, it's a bit quiet. So here's the Blue Mosque, there's a big open square, and if I just duck down this way, across the road is the Hagia Sophia, which is massive, absolutely massive, which of course I knew it was big, but that's bigger than big. And my previous knowledge of Hagia Sophia, hate to admit this, is using it in Age of Empires when you're building civilizations, a computer game I used to play back in the late 90s, I think. And you could build your civilization and eventually get the Hagia Sophia. How cool. That's a great way to start our first day, seeing that. So we're 90% sure that we're not going to do the tour inside. From what we've read,
Here is the entrance,
you only
everybody.
get to see a very limited amount of the inside of it. I think we're just going to be impressed by the outside, and then we'll go and visit the Blue Mosque instead. Certainly draws in the crowds. Let's go and see what this gate here is. Looks like you've got to pay to go in there. Looks very fancy. Okay, it's the palace. 2,400 lira. Certainly got impressive walls. Heading down that way to the sea. We thought they were doing well, obviously they're doing maintenance with all the cranes and scaffolding, but that almost looks like they're either constructing a new minaret, or maybe they've deconstructed it to fix it, now they're reconstructing it. So surely it would have all of its minarets already. Right, we'll continue on around the other side. Right, we've done the maths now. That would have been 100 New Zealand dollars each to go into the palace. That's another night's accommodation to add on to our trip. So I think we'll skip that. Thanks. I'm guessing these apartments here are expensive. Hagia Sophia Mansions. I'll look them up later, see how much they are. We're paying $120 a night at our apartment, I think. It's very good.
Yo más.
Sarah's just buying a bookmark. We had to find the door. The man from the shop finally turned up. He was inside tidying up. Took a while to find him. So we bought a 25 lira $1 bookmark, and then he was asking us, do you want to buy a carpet? Yeah, maybe if we bought the carpet we'd get the bookmark for free. We've done a full lap of the Hagia Sophia, and we noticed that the fountain was now going. thought we'd better come back and have another look. Alright, we'll carry on our walk. We could play the game of how many times someone tries to sell us a carpet. We're up to 2 already. Not exactly sure what this thing is. It's got a beautiful ceiling. We can get water to wash.